and growth
Yes,
projection.
yes. These are the different scenarios. We work this one. Is it correct? So these are the very important points. So we should remember these points, how line item subset will work and what are the advantages, and we should be aware about all these things. Each and most of the time interviewers ask these questions, so that is the reason I am asking so many times. So even can we use line item subset more in one target module? Can we use more than one line item subsets? Yes, Faiz, can you give explanation? Only can we use one line item subset, or can we use two line item subset as well in one target module? Yes, Arshad Ahmed.
Yeah, we can use two line item subset. That's not a problem.
Not a problem. But is it best practice? We should give proper answer. So many times I have told we can use, but that is not best practice. Then why you are saying we can use simply? Should we use that one? Then
No, it's not a good practice to use
we should
two line
explain.
item subset in a
We should
target module.
we should complete total sentence. We should not stop in middle.
Sure.
So then only they will satisfy. So that is the thing. So we can use the two line item subset as well, but that is a not best practice. So that is the reason generally we don't do that one. Is it clear?
Uh, no, actually, not best practice in the sense as by like what will happen. It will consume more
So
space. Or actually, what is the
increase
issue?
the model size, in decrease the
Okay.
performance. That's it.
Okay.
So these are the disadvantages.
Is there any exceptional case, Asif bhai, for using like that more than one LIS?
Two, that is a weak exception case we don't use. That is not best practice. We'll create two modules in that scenario if we need that one.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah, more than one module to create. Yes.
that is whatever the best practices are there, that is for increase the model performance and everything. So that's it. So if you follow that one, it is helpful for us. It increase the model performance, it give like good efficiency, everything is, it will increase the advantages. So decrease the model size, every advantage will get. But the thing when we don't follow the rules, what happened? So it increase the model size and it decrease the model performance, everything because of that one we lost. So it is not benefit for us if you don't follow the rules. So that is the thing. So anyway, today we'll start our sprint 1 level 2 sprint 1 details here. So give me 1 minute, I will get back to you. So till that time, Srinivas explain what are the scenarios we have where we use line item subset, and what are the conditions we have to pull line item details from source to target.
There are the three conditions, Asif bhai. It is a condition for the line item success. So one is the source line item must be in formatted as a number formatted, and second one is the all source modules begin with the line item success must be in the same dimension. It is like it is same dimension is required. And the third one is the target module must use the same dimension, so higher level to the lower level. It's parent to child relationship. So these are the conditions to use the line item success.
Yes, sir. Did you cover all points, Srinivas?
Uh, I'm not all the covers. These points I remember.
Okay.
It is
So,
calculate the yes. So mainly line item substance is using in currency conversion and variance analysis. It is mainly using line
okay.
item substance. And so remaining is I'm not recollecting.
Okay, fine. So, anyway, let us check. So, what are the like? Try to go through that video and note down the points. What are the
Yeah, yeah,
different
yeah.
activities we have?
Sure, sure.
And we need to start our like sprint one. So like in sprint one we have data hub model in our sprint one. So we need to start this one sprint one activities. So here in sprint one, what are the in data hub, we about data hub model, introduction data hub model. What is data hub model means? So generally um, in data hub model we store the data. From this data hub model, 1 minute, I will share. Are you able to see my screen first of all? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So in data hub model what happened, we store the data, then we'll do compare and we'll do what happened, um, then we'll pull data from data hub to our spoke model. Then what is why we need then data hub directly, why we can't pull directly spoke model means, so we have few things here. So if I pull data from directly Excel file or some other data sources to our spoke model, what is data hub and what is spoke model? First of all, spoke model nothing but this financial model, supply chain model, and sales and operational model. These all are the spoke models. Spoke nothing but target model, where we create the like main reports and everything. Why we use data hub means, data hub we use as an intermediate model. Like first of all we pull data from other data sources to data hub, then we'll pull into our spoke model. So by doing this one, what happened? We'll do cleanup in our data hub model. We'll store the data, and by bringing different places to data into one place. So whenever we store here and whenever we required, so we pull into our spoke models. So if I want to pull data from different places, is it available at whenever we required, and which format we required? Is it possible? Or if you store the model and if you use whenever we required, which one is the safety?
So
Yes,
data hub model is the safety.
GitHub.
data hub. By
So
storing the data and whenever we required, if you use, that will be safe way. So that is the reason we'll do this one. We can see here what are the different things will how we'll store the data. We can see here. First of all, we need to download our data hub model in Sprint1 first activity. Level 2 Sprint1, this is our first activity. Then here, after downloading our model, we need to store the data. Whatever the data they are asking, we need to download here. So here I have download this data hub model already. Surohini is down using my model. She has downloaded the one model. So that is the reason you can see I am getting the two. So in that scenario, what should I do? For identification purpose, I should keep my name data hub model. I should rename it Ali data hub model. Otherwise, Asif data hub model I can keep.
up to how many models you can create? Actually?
Yes.
How many models up to? Abhi, you are creating the second data hub second model. So up to how many models
No
you can
limit. You can create so many
create?
model.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
as long as the space is available, you can do
Yes,
that
1
much.
GB is
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Up to the
Till
maximum
to
space.
fill 1 GB, till that one you can do whatever you want. After completing
Okay.
1 GB, then we can't see. And one more thing, everyone, as we are using so many people, so after completing our practice, we should keep our model archive. Then what happened? We should change our model to standard to archive. Then no one can see our model, and even others also, only they, while practicing, they can see only their model. Is it clear? While doing practice, after completing
Yeah.
our practice, we should keep our model in archive mode. That will be safe for everyone. Even multiple users also, if you are doing, nothing will happen. You can up to level 2 also, nothing will happen. But after sprint 1, what happened? Our model size will increase 600 GB. So in that scenario, two members can't work at a time. If you use now, if you do the practice now itself, each and every time after practicing if you keep our model archived mode, others will practice easily for that sprint 3 purpose, and every time it is best practice. Is it clear? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So Asif data hub model, you can see this one, and after opening this model, so so we need to rename the model. You can see adding your first name and last name to the model. Mark copied model as a favorite, so you can easily locate. So how can I easily find my model? So we should mark as a favorite. In home page, what should we do? We can mark as a favorite. So you can see Asif data hub model is there. So if I click here, mark as a favorite, I can find here. Even though if I have so many models here, I can see here each and every time. I can directly click here, I can start my open my model, whatever the activities I want to do. So that will be best thing. And after completing this whole process, So first activity we have import data into flat list. So we can see here we have import data into flat list. So flat list, what is a flat list? It doesn't consist any parent and child relationship. So you can see import data into region flat, country flat. Already in this is the model where we can see the general list, region flat, country flat, everything you can see here. So if I open this one, I can't see anything, only list I have, but I don't have any data. So that is the reason we need to import. Just they have created some list, region flat, everything. We need to import the data. So region flat is there. So in this region flat, I need to import. You can see, download this file, and after downloading the file, what should we do? Import data file into region flat list. In the date, please keep mute. Please keep mute. So we can see here, after completing this one, downloading the file, simply we should open our file and click on import, then upload new file, then select our file just now what we have download. So keep here admins only, header row is 1, first data row is 1. Then what should we do? For region flat, which one we should give? Yes, here which one should I give here? Region name or header or region
Region
code?
code. Region code.
Region name we should give. Code why should give? Why should we give? Already, especially you have code here.
Yeah. Code.
So and each and every time so many members are doing mistake here. We should keep name or code here, and region name, region code we should give properly. And only they are watching this one. Even they are not watching this one. So try to watch each and everything and do the import. Sudhir, are you there? Sudhir, Faiz, Ayan. Yes, you can see successfully imported the data. Does everyone is there? Where are our guys?
Yeah. Yes.
Alam, MD Hafiz is joined. Where is Hamid? Does Hamid is joined? Irfan is there. Ahmed is not joined. Hafiz, try to connect with him, Hamid, and try to help him to complete all activities. Hafiz. So we can see here, we have completed this region details here, and after completing this region details, we have like country flat we have. So again we need to download another file, and import data into country flat list. Same procedure, we should open our country flat list, we should go to general list, again open this country flat list.
Hello.
And click on import, upload new file. We should click countries file, keep here admins only. So what should we give here for country flat? Country name or country code parent. Country name we should give. For code, country code we should give. So do we have any parent for here country flat list? Yes. We don't have any parent here. Why? Means this is a flat list. We should read here country flat. We should not think country parent is a region, so that I should give the parent as a region. So this is a country flat. That is the reason we should not give any parent here. Then click on import. You will get the data here. So 13 countries are created here in our country flat list. So flat nothing but it doesn't consist any parent and child relationship. It will be these lists are the flat. You can see it doesn't consist any parent and child relationship. So then we can see here location flat here. So same procedure we have for the location as well. So same procedure we should open location flat list first of all. Import the list, upload new file, click on locations, click on admins only, click on next. Here we can see, so for location flat what should we give here? Location name we should give, location we can give. So for code we should give code. Do we have any parent for the location flat list?
No. It's a flat list only, no parent.
So for distribution center, this is the subset you can see. S location distribution center nothing but this is a subset. So we should give the subset, distribution center subset we can give. So then we should click on name or code, click on import. Yes, everything is locations are get imported in our list, location flat list. Yes, so each and every screen now onwards we don't get any screenshot. After completing total activity we'll get one screenshot. By watching that one we should understand this is the next level of activities. So each and every step will not provide in level 2. So we should understand by watching these recording sessions and everything. By steps only we should watch, we should complete the activities. Even we should not watch recording sessions as well. So if you watch recording sessions, so you will not get anything. So that by watching the steps only we should do. So try to complete activities by following the instructions. So here we can see next activity, update the system module. You can see here another activity we have here, update the system module. So updating the system module activity we have here. So to update system module we can see, so system 05 region detail module. In data hub model already we have modules. So we should go for the first of all system 05 modules. Already we have modules here. We need to update these modules. So if I open any module, so we can see few data we have here. We need to update here. So what is the update they are expecting? We can see here. In data hub model, system 05 region details module was previously created. The code line item in modules display the code for each region. review this system module to become familiar with the information. We should go through the module, we can understand the data, and next we can see just update the system 06 country detail module. In data hub model we have country module, also we have system 06. So module contains code and region line items. We should open that one, system 0. We should not do anything here, just we should go through this module. And if you open system 06 module, so here we can see code we have, region we don't have here. So here we need to do something. So what we need to do, we can check here. So the region line item will identify the parent for region of each country. So region line item, by writing the assigning the parent, we can assign the country for each and every region. So here we should download the file. So import the data into system 06 country details module. So we need to import data into this one. Here in this region details module, we need to import the data. Here what is the dimension we are using here? Country flat we are using. So here the procedure will be same. We should click on import. We have selected wrong file here. We need to select the right file. What is our file name? First of all, countries file only. Countries file only we should take, and keep here admins only. Click on next. So which one should we select here? US, Canada, Mexico. So where do we have this one? Country names.
Country name, yeah.
In column 2 we have. Column 2 we have country name. We have here. So other than that one, you can see code and region. Code, country code we have, and parent we have. Parent nothing but country parent is the region. So that is the reason we should select here column header. Then we should select here each and every tab, either it is getting mapping or not. So here we can see we have in source we have parent, in target we have region. It is not mapping. Then in that scenario we should map here. So this is the fine. Even if I do import, I will get the error. Why means I should click this one and
Ignore.
ignore unmap. Then only I will get the proper data. So I will not get any error. Yes, everything is we got perfectly. So you can see what is the parent for the each and every country. We can see here. Easily we can get this data, and next we can see here system 0 location details module.
Asif, sorry to interrupt you. Just 05 we did not do anything.
Yes, there is no need to do anything in system 05.
Okay.
In system 07 we have the location details module. Open system 07 module. Here we need to import the file whatever we have downloaded. So click on this data and upload new file. Click on our locations file. Then click on admins only. Here we can see location flat. So which one should we select here? look, New York, Chicago, San Francisco, in which column do we have the data?
Second column.
Column 2 location.
Yeah.
Other than
Yeah.
that one we have the column header, that's it. So I should check each and every tab, then either it is mapping or not mapping. So here we need to map manually because of some spelling mistake. You can see distribution center and distribution center, I need to do map here. Other than that one we should ignore unmapped, already it is ignored, so nothing we need to do here. So simply we should click on run import. Just everything is get created here, so we can check the data. So finally I hope we have one screenshot here. We don't have any screenshot, everything we know very well. So in this way we can complete these activities. So updating of system location module we have completed whatever we have here. So we can tomorrow we'll do further activities like other create saved use for import. Some saved use we need to create in system module for the importing process, and create hierarchy filters, so hierarchy list and everything. Tomorrow we'll create this one. So if you have any doubt you can ask here. So otherwise we can wrap up our session.
So today's activity is down importing stuff, 12, 0, 5, 6, 7, whatever stuff. It comes under data hub for tomorrow's activities.
Yes, in data hub only we'll do all these activities. In data hub only,
Data hub is
not
nothing but a place we created a model.
yeah, we should download model.